What's going on, guys? It's Isaac, and today is, what's today's video? Messing with Ike's toys. So what do we have here? Actually, we have two toys. A 1972 K5 Blazer and my 92 Supra ski boat. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to cut that tower off because I don't use it for wakeboarding or anything. I'm a slalom skier or a kneeboarder, and the tower's broken anyway, so I'm going to chop it off. I've got a new propeller I'm putting on the boat and put a battery in it and go for a ride. So I guess I'll do a review on this truck first. I've had it for I think about 3 years. I got it from my buddy Dan. It was part of a trade off with my I don't know if y'all remember my Triumph motorcycle. I had a 68 Triumph Trophy motorcycle and I traded this for it plus some cash. So it's not in the best shape, but it's really hard to find these trucks. So it's pretty well stock with a lift and some 33 1250s on it. Let's see what we have. We have 33 1250 by 15s. I think this is probably pretty close to a factory color for this truck, but originally it was a green. I'm not a real big green on car fan, but these trucks are banging awesome in green, I think. What do y'all think? So let me see. I was hoping I'd see a color, original color, not in this door, but to my knowledge this is a CST Blazer with so what we have here is a fairly new crate 350. The air conditioning is not on it, but I'm planning on putting the AC back on because AC is nice. The older I get, the more I want AC because it has most of the stuff on it, and I'm sure that I've got all the AC I need in my stash of stuff. So yeah, pretty clean. The truck has a newer model 700 R4 in it with the lockup converter. Well, I'm sure all 700 R4s have that, but I have a switch to lock up the converter. And I guess that's about, oh, I guess I can let it run. My sun tack doesn't work. It's not very loud. I don't know what kind of mufflers are on it, but it's not like Flowmasters or anything. She's pretty tame. Pretty much a stock engine. Nothing special. Let's get to the boat. So I bought this boat last year at an auction. It's a 92 Supra. I'm not exactly sure which model Supra it is, but it says the Kevlar Super Track. I don't know. I don't know if that's what it is. It has a 351 under the center there. The 351, she's pretty tired. In fact, if you get on it real good, she's a little rattly. So I'm hoping an oil change will fix that with some Lucas. And oh man, I can't wait to get out on the river with it today. So first things first, I'm gonna cut this tower off of the boat. Got it. All right, guys, I ran into a situation y'all missed out on. Dang!
Another one. Okay.
They keep coming back.
Another one over here.
Come on back. All right, guys, since I've been fighting, yeah, I just see one. I think I just saw one. Since I've been fighting with these wasps, I think I did a pretty good job. I don't have any of them coming out from underneath the dash anymore. I just bombed. You're making me nervous. I bombed underneath the dash, and I don't see any others. But of course, whenever I came back to the shop to work on it, they're flying around. So they're going to be trying to find their way back into the boat. But I hope not. So, I'm going to try to make this short. I'm going to go ahead and add this brand new propeller, prop, whatever you want to call it. It was darn near close to $500. I'm still having trouble with it. But it should make my boat perform a lot better than that three-bladed prop I had on it before. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed.
Well, they're not meant to be dull.
Well, that's good enough for now. I'll tighten it up after I take it out. My legs under there. That's it for this video, guys. You know I'm not going to leave y'all hanging. I'm going to take a dip. Woo! Woo! Feels good. Leave a thumbs up, guys. I'll catch y'all later.